So this is the part 6 of making a portfolio website only by using HTML and CSS. So let's go to the VS Code. So at first we will set the white background color to these divs. We will set the background color property to white. Let's refresh it. So now the background color is white. We will give the same class to the images. And same class for the text. So now we will link these divs to my projects. To link we will use the anchor tags. We will do the same for the other two divs. I don't know why, but whenever I use anchor tags, they shift 30 pixels from the left. So we will use the relative position to shift them. So let's go to VS Code. First we will select the divs of images by their class. We will give them position. Relative. We will shift them by their right to left of 30 pixels. Let's refresh it. You can see they are in the right position now, but the text is also shifted to the downward, so we'll also shift the text from their relative position. First you will select the text by their class name. We'll also give them position relative, and we will shift them from bottom to up of 30 pixels. Let's refresh it. So you can see they look good, and if we click on them, it will direct me to my projects. This is Amazon clone, and this is BTS fan page. This is just a old project of nature. So that is for today. I think we will cover the portfolio website in next 2-3 parts. So subscribe this channel, like this video. Bye.